welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and we're gonna do a productive vlog. I'm not gonna lie, I have truly been very tired and not motivated for the last probably week. And that's why there wasn't a video before this one. Unfortunately, I just couldn't come up with anything or motivate myself, so I thought I need to get back into a routine. So we're going to do a productive vlog because one, it helps me get stuff done and it helps me make a video for you. And I'm sure some people like to be motivated as well. So this may be a couple days. It is Thursday right now. I literally just logged off of work. And basically we're going to start by getting the yard mowed. I want to get this done today because I have a lot of other things I need to do tomorrow. So I'll get some clips of me mowing, and then I probably won't check in till tomorrow when we do the majority of everything. But let's get outside and get started. So the yard has been mowed. That is all that I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna shower, eat my dinner, and chill out. But I'll show you my actual list tomorrow when we get started on it then. But like I said, this will be a couple days. So I will check in with you tomorrow. Good morning. So day 2 of my productiveness. It's about 7:30. I'm gonna leave here in a minute because I need to go do my grocery pickup from Walmart, and I also placed an order for a couple things at Target that I need to pick up as well. So we'll pick that stuff up, come back, put groceries away, and then start working on my list, and I will show you the list when we get back. But let's get on the road so we can get groceries. All right, so we're back with groceries. I got all of that stuff put away. I need to go move my car back into place. And I think I'm gonna take a quick break, check in on my mom, and then probably start on that list, which I will show you when we get going. But I may try to do outside and then come inside and do a few things, and then I'm gonna probably take another break and have my lunch. So here's kind of my list. Obviously we mowed yesterday. I just got back from picking up groceries. We got them from both places. So we're gonna go spray the outside of the house, the base of it. And then when we come in, I'm gonna rinse faux plants, which I'll explain. But that's more so for my monthly reset tasks. I didn't clean the house yesterday because I knew I was going to have to do a lot of that today to spray the rooms for bugs. Normally I try to do this all in one day, but it is a lot of work moving furniture, vacuuming under it. You can't just spray because of the dust on the baseboards. So my plan is to do like half the house, which will be like bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry room, and my office. And then we'll save the main areas and do that in a couple weeks. But I think I'm going to start with the toilets and sinks. And then we'll see if I want to dust and vacuum now or if I want to hold off on that part till I start doing the more detailed stuff after lunch. Which it's only 10 o'clock, so maybe I will get the majority of the house clean before I sit down and have lunch, and then we can just go back and do the detail work.
I don't usually cry at all, but why is it always close? Ranging from a movie scene to made up people in my dreams. The last time, if I recall, was a feeling of being alone. I don't know if where I'm going isn't far, but in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't be over soon. Oh my, I miss the sun. Just wait, it won't be too long till we arrive the coming day. Please ignore my restless face, 'cause it's so hard to keep it all together ever since we left. I guess it just makes sense to what the reasoning was when I said, in case I go, no need to be stressed. Gotta take it home, it's there. I really miss the shade of blue. Ooh, just take it slow. I'll wait to find.
I want to show you this. I'm sure you can see how much dog hair and dust is on this stuff. And that is why I have to vacuum before I spray. So I'm a sweaty hot mess. I've done the dusting, cleaned the bathrooms, and I basically went in the 3 or 4 rooms and prepped them for spraying and vacuuming, which I will do after lunch because I need to take a break and cool down. Besides that, I don't want to overdo it, so it's easier just to take breaks. As much as I want to get it all done like now so I can chill out, I need to make sure I'm taking breaks. And actually, I just remembered I forgot to do this bathroom. So I'm going to go ahead and set this one up for vacuuming and spraying.
For now I will feel the ocean view, and I pray that it won't.
Finish that. So I'm going to go sit down for a little bit, drink some water, watch an episode of something, and eat some lunch in a little bit. And then we'll come back to the vacuum spraying situation. Okay, change in plans. I took like a 20-minute break. I really don't want to go longer than that because I'll lose my energy. I really want to get these rooms sprayed and vacuumed because that's going to be the bulk of my work today. So we're going to get started with that. I just want to get this done. It's so much work, and I'm glad I'm only doing half the house today. But if you live in the South, I'm sure you're well aware bugs are an issue in this home. I'm a very clean person. I clean my house every week, so I don't want you to think that I'm unclean. It's just a part of living in the South, especially in an older home. I'm done. I'm actually gonna put back together this room. Once again, I'm sweating. But I'm gonna take a break and probably finally have lunch because it's almost noon. So by the time I probably get the furniture put back together in this room, I should be able to eat. So we're gonna get on that. I still don't know what I'm gonna eat, but we're gonna figure that out. So I decided to make the pizza, so that's in the oven. I'm gonna open this package here that I got. It's just a couple things from IKEA. I'm praying that one of them is not broken. It's a lot smaller of a picture than I thought for 10 bucks. I wanted this to do like a punch-in, but I don't know. I might have to think that one over, maybe return it. And then this is the other thing I got, which you've seen. I have one in my office and a couple smaller ones in here. I wanted this one because I think I'm going to put it above the TV, because then it can act as a picture ledge. I can use it to hang stuff off the front, like garland, kind of like a mantle. But that way I'm not constantly putting command hooks and tacks in the wall to decorate. I got to make sure there's studs in the wall, but I just thought this would be cute because then I can easily change out signs and stuff without having to do this. And then I can add like those clear command hooks on the sides or even in the middle or on the back side, and I can hang garland off the front. Let me know what you think. I don't know if I'm gonna put this up today, but at least I have it now. Pretty much what I got from IKEA, just a couple things. I still don't know about that picture. I might return it. It's just a lot smaller than I thought, but then again, you never know. It is prettier. Might work for a water pitcher. So I'm gonna clean up this mess. I'm waiting on my pizza. And in all honesty, I think I'm gonna wrap this productive vlog up here, because the only thing I have left to do this afternoon will be to like run the vacuum on the regular floors and rugs in the bathrooms. And then I'm gonna edit this video, and I need to film my monthly reset, which obviously you guys are gonna see that in another video anyway, but there's some changes coming, so I want to talk about those. But I think we're going to wrap this up here. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I know it was a lot of work and not a lot of fun stuff, but I was productive. I knocked out pretty much everything on my list, and I'm looking forward to relaxing for the rest of the day. So I hope everybody enjoyed, and I hope you have a blessed day.